Hello children, welcome to English Alphabet World. Now we are going to see the letters from A to Z and we are going to listen the sound of each letter. Okay children, you have already learnt capital cursive letter and small cursive letter in LKG and UKG. Now we are going to see again all those letters along with sound. Ready children? Okay. See what is the letter? This is A. What is the sound? A. A says A. Apple. Now you see while writing capital cursive letter, that is the uppercase letter, we are following this method. You just see. Now you see lowercase, that is the small a. How we will write? We write like this way. Right children? Okay. Now move on to next letter. What is the next letter? Yes, you are right. The next letter is B. What is the sound? B. Butterfly. Yes. Now we see how to write capital B, that is uppercase letter. You see now? See. While writing in 4 lines in your notebook, we follow this method. Now lowercase, that is small b. Right children? You just remember. And what is the next letter? Next letter is, here it is, C. K. C says K, caterpillar. Okay. Now move on to uppercase C. While writing, how we write? See the line? How we start in the 4-line notes? From the red line, the upper line. And the small c, while writing the small letter, we follow this method. Okay. Now, what is the next letter? You know children? Yes. What is the letter? D. What is the sound? Yes, you are right. D. See the picture? Dinosaurs. Okay. Now, see while writing how we write. This is the method we follow. And the uppercase, the capital cursive letter. And you see the lowercase, the small d. Next we move to next letter. Letter E. What is the sound? A. Elephant. Okay. Now see while writing the uppercase, that is the capital E, how we write? Like this. And the lowercase, the small e. See. Like this. We touch the line and we write E. Right children? Yes. Now move on to our next letter. What is the letter? Yes. It is F. What is the sound? F. F. Fish. Okay. Now we see how we will write capital letter. See the pattern. Now we see the lowercase, that is the small f. We follow this method. Now we move to yes. What is this? The letter is G. What is the sound of G? G. And the picture is game. Okay. Now we see how we write capital cursive. See the uppercase letter and the lowercase for small g. While writing, we follow this method. Now the next, we have H. Okay, what is the sound? You already know, children. Yes, you are right. Ha. Hippo. You see the picture? Look at the picture. Yes. Now we move to writing part. While writing capital H, we write like this. And again, while it comes to write small letter, we write like this. It's easy, no, children? I think you are all enjoying seeing this video. Yes. Now the next letter is I. What is the sound of I? E. And the picture is inchworm, right? Yes, we move how to write capital I. Yes, here it is. And you see how to write small I? Yes, you are right. Next, we move next letter, that is J. What is the sound of J? J. The picture is jelly bean. Okay, so now we move. See, while writing capital J, we follow this pattern, and while writing lower J, I mean small letter, the lowercase, it is like this. So the letter is J and the sound is jelly bean. Okay, now next letter K. The letter is K. You see here both letters are together, and we see K says kite. The picture is kite. You see, while writing capital form, we follow this method, capital cursive K, and while writing small k, we follow this method. Yes, yes. Now move to next letter. The next letter is, yes, L. What is the sound? L. L says L. The picture is ladybird. Yes. Now we move to, while writing, see the capital cursive letter, that is the uppercase letter, and the small L will be like this. While writing, we should follow this pattern. Okay, L over. Now the next letter, what is the next letter? M. Yes, the sound is See the picture? Marble. Okay, while writing, you see how we write, that is capital cursive letter, and look at this small cursive letter. Okay, now we move to next letter N. What is the sound? N says in. The picture is nest. Now we move to C. The uppercase capital N and the lowercase small n. Yes, children. Now the next is, yes, the next letter is O. What is the sound? O says O. O says O. The picture is octopus. Now we see, while writing, see the uppercase O, that is capital letter, capital O, and you move to next, that is lowercase, while we write small cursive O. Okay. So what will be the next letter? The next letter is P. The next letter is P. P says P. Look at the picture. Pumpkin. Now we move, see, the uppercase, the capital cursive P, and lowercase, that is the small cursive p. While writing, you have to see that the formation of the letter should be very good, and you have to follow this method. Touch the line and you have to write. Okay, the next letter we move, that is, what is the letter? Q. See the capital cursive Q and small cursive Q. Look at the picture. This is Wickle. This is a board game, and Q says quack. Q says quack. Now we see how we will write the capital cursive Q and small cursive Q. Yes? Yes, very good. Now we move to next letter. What is the next letter? R. Yes. See, capital cursive R and small cursive R. Both letters are here. What is the sound? R. R says R. What is the picture? Rainbow. Now we see how to write capital cursive R like this, and small cursive R, that is the lowercase, like this. Yes. Now we move to next letter S. Yes, see the capital cursive S and small cursive S. What is the sound? S says S. Look at the picture. It's snowman. Okay. Now we move to writing part. See how we write capital cursive S and small cursive S. Okay, next we move. The letter is T. T says T. T says T. Look at the picture. Picture is tortoise. Okay. Now we see how to write T. See, capital cursive T and the lowercase, the small cursive T. You have to write like this. Okay. The next letter is U. U says A. Umbrella. Okay. Now we see while writing like this, the capital cursive U and the lowercase, you have to write like this. Small cursive letter U. The next letter is V. V says V. V says V. What is the color of the picture? Violet. Okay. Now see, while writing, you should follow this method. That is capital cursive P and C lowercase small cursive V. Okay. Now the next letter is W. Okay. What is the sound? Wa. W says wa. Look at the picture. Watermelon. Okay. Now we see how to write. Yes. See the capital cursive letter and the small cursive letter. Now next we move to, yes, the next letter is X. The sound is X. See, look at the picture. The picture is xylophone. See, while writing, see the capital cursive X and the small cursive X. Correct? Yes. Now the next letter. What is the next letter? Yes, the letter is Y. Y says ya. Y says ya. Picture is yarn. See, now how to write capital cursive Y and see the small cursive Y. Look at the line. Now next is the last letter Z. Z says Z. The picture is zebra. So now you see how to write capital cursive Z and small cursive Z. See children, we have seen the letters from A to Z, the formation of the letter and the sound of the letter. Hope you all enjoyed the session and you must practice at home like this in your notebook. Thank you children.